Hello, my noble band of outlaws. Outlaw Samurai coming at you live with a video with a unboxing. This is a Union Razors 3-piece shave kit from Menards. That was actually only $4 through special online order. If you sign up for Menards.com and make an account, you get emails like this sent out to you. This is the kit. Not a huge kit by any means. Very simplistic. Got a nice little holder with a nice foam pad for friction. Now, some of you may be thinking, Outlaw, why do you have a rouge brush? Ooh. No, this is a soap brush. And if you don't know what a soap brush is, with straight razors like this is, and honestly, if they're going to send you a kit like this, I would like them to charge a little bit more to have a cup with it. But basically what you do is you take a cup, ceramic, tin, whatever, a small cup, and you cut off a piece of soap. Put some hot water in there, and then you whisk this brush around in the soap and the water, and it creates a lather that you then spread throughout your beard and face. In order to shave, like old-timey shaving cream. Now we get to the most interesting part of this, the straight razor. Nothing too fancy, just a simple black plastically shaped, of course. Now you can actually hold this at different angles and such. Now, this does not feel the most sturdy grip in the world, but since a straight razor is basically only held in with a pin, if you so chose, or if I so take the notion to, I can always just either drill or tap out that pin and put a better grip on here. Now, if you notice, it has a very thick spine and a very minute edge. Feels nice and sharp, and since this is a razor, we're going to try to shave some hair with it. Get a look at my hand so you can see the hair. A very quick work of my hand, actually. Baby smooth. So this definitely works better with a push pull, with a pushing action rather than a pulling action. Fold it back up. And this has a little divot in here to hold the straight razor. Now the beauty of a straight razor is that if I so inclined, I could actually shave my beard as is without having to trim anything down, because unlike your standard 5-blade razor, this just makes the cut all at once. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blades, you only have one blade doing all the cutting, so you can actually shear your entire beard off in one go. You don't believe me, there are plenty of people on YouTube who have shaved their whole beards with a straight razor in one go.
I'll insist you try it.
My uncle giving me needless concerns as if he thinks I've never held a blade before. Now, I will give caveat where caveat is needed. Unless you have very strong hands, very steady hands, I should say, and you are very much accustomed to using these, you can actually slit your throat and cut into your flesh very easily. In fact, as far as I'm aware, trainee barbers that are trained to use these are not allowed to cut a full beard with these until they've gotten a few shaves under their belt as experience. If there's any barbers watching this, let me know if I'm wrong in the comments below. It's to my knowledge. Now, we'll say this wasn't too bad of a shave. May have to get a razor strop for this though. That's another thing. The reason I'm assuming this is such a cheap price is because I'm going under the assumption that this is 420 stainless steel, which is the same kind of stainless steel you get in 88 cents Walmart kitchen knives. You know, the kind that you walk into a Walmart, you're late for the barbecue, and you just need a knife to cut the veggies and shit. You just grab one of those for 88 cents and walk out. But yeah. Now I know what you're thinking. Outlaw is going to shave his whole beard in the next video. No, because it's still fucking cold outside. However, who knows what will happen come spring. We may see this being tested out in earnest. Not just a little test on the back of my hand. But yes, I do have to give the safety warning that this is an extremely sharp blade, and using these is not recommended unless you A, have used them for a long period of time, or B, you have experience using blades that are sharp enough to shave your face, or just using blades in general. Now, one last thing. Damn it. I'm glad that was not open. I want to chip it. Now, one last thing. I don't know if this is an actual thing or not, but I would venture to guess that the reason this spine is so thick is that it's the angle that this thing basically gives you the angle you need to shave at. So you'd put the spine down and then the edge and then push or pull, what have you. Again, if there's any barbers in the comments, tell me if I'm right or wrong. I would just assume because of how the spine and the blade is shaped. So until next time, my noble band of outlaws, Outlaw Samurai tells all y'all be crazy rednecks, be safe and use your weapons, and Who knows if this will be used or not? I have to complete the set first by getting a damn cup for it. But I'm out. Peace.